So you really have to learn to be unintentionally intentional. The secret is allowing you. So you really have to learn to be unintentionally intentional. The secret is allowing the paint to flow, but being able to manipulate it without caring. And I know that sounds crazy, but that to me is what makes the bloom swipe so much fun. Yet it's difficult because you kind of create the composition after you lay the paint. If you don't like it, create something that you do like. So you can't be so nitpicky and calculated and precise and exactly where the paint goes. Even boils down to the recipe. Swipes are very forgiving as far as the recipe. You could do swipes with just paint and water. Titanium white by Amsterdam and water will create some great sales. But with bloom swipes, it's just so much more to it that I believe it's actually kind of hard to teach. Some people will have that intuitiveness and some don't. So with that first swipe that I just did, I was trying too hard to cover, the empty canvas while not disrupting the big swipe. And so I didn't like it. So this time I'm literally just going to cover it and do some swirls. And where the paint lands is where it lands. And you can see after I let go, the piece really started to come together at the end. And now I just can't take my eyes off of it. But you'll see that in just a minute. Enjoy the rest of the video. Also, don't forget to check out the other artists. We have Meta, we have Chris, we have Britta, and we have Tara. We premiere every other Friday in this collab, and we just have an amazing time together. If you don't know, now you know. Come see us. We start about 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And let me know what you think about this piece and what I should name it. So once I was satisfied with the piece, then I did go in and play a bit, just to add some additional interest. I was already in love, and I wanted to continue the look of the long swipe that you see at the bottom of the screen there, and add just some more cells so that it looks like this was all one big long swipe. And I kind of started thinking about it too much and realized, listen, just go for it. And at the end, I'm super satisfied with how it all came out. I didn't like the white there, so I took some of the drips and kind of went over it to make it look more natural, and lots of tilting. I've started doing transfer swipes, and I have this thing where I put an intentional, unintentional dot of paint on my composition.